stop! Before you throw away that banana peel, wait! Did you know it's a hidden skincare treasure? Yes. That simple peel can give you clear, glowing, and youthful skin without expensive creams or treatments. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal 3 powerful banana peel hacks that will change your skincare routine forever. And trust me, you'll never look at a banana the same way again. Hack number 1, the banana peel face rub for glowing, acne-free skin. Let's start with the easiest trick. You won't believe how effective this is. Grab a fresh banana peel, slightly ripe with a few brown spots, and gently rub the inside on your face. Yep, just rub it in small circles for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, here's the secret. Don't wash it off immediately. Let the nutrients absorb for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this every day, and boom! Your skin will start looking brighter, clearer, and more even-toned in no time. Hack number 2, banana peel and honey mask for soft, hydrated, and youthful skin. Okay, if your skin is feeling dry or dull, this next hack is a game changer. Take 1 banana peel, blend it into a smooth paste, and mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it all over your face and relax for 20 minutes while your skin drinks up all that goodness. Then, rinse it off and get ready to touch the softest, most hydrated skin of your life. This mask is pure gold for anti-aging and hydration. Hack number 3, the ultimate trick for dark circles and puffy eyes. Late nights? Tired eyes? No worries. Banana peels to the rescue. Just cut small pieces of the peel and place them under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The natural antioxidants and potassium will reduce puffiness, brighten dark circles, and make you look fresh and awake. No more tired, dull eyes, just bright, youthful skin. But why does this work? Science-backed facts? All right, let's break it down. What makes banana peels so powerful? They're loaded with vitamin C and E, the ultimate glow boosters. They contain lutein, which protects your skin from sun damage. And they're packed with antioxidants that fight acne and slow down aging. Nature's skincare at its best, and it's completely free. Pro tip: use banana peels to whiten your teeth. Wait, there's more. Did you know banana peels can also whiten your teeth? Yep, just rub the inside of the peel on your teeth for 2 minutes a day. The potassium and magnesium will naturally remove stains and brighten your smile. No chemicals, no strips, just a brighter smile the natural way. And there you have it, 3 genius banana peel hacks for glowing skin, brighter eyes, and even whiter teeth. So, what do you think? Which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you love these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful beauty hacks that actually work. Trust me, you'll never throw away a banana peel again without giving a try. See you in the next video.